Odeceixe is a small town located on the western coast of the Algarve region in Portugal. It is situated at the mouth of the Seixe River, which flows into the Atlantic Ocean. The town is part of the municipality of Algarve and has a population of around 900 people. Odeceixe is a popular tourist destination, especially during the summer months, due to its stunning beaches and natural beauty. The Praia de Odeceixe is a long, sandy beach that is sheltered by cliffs and is popular with surfers, swimmers, and sunbathers. The beach is bordered by a lagoon, which is home to a variety of bird species and other wildlife. In addition to its natural attractions, Odeceixe has a charming historic center with traditional whitewashed houses and narrow streets. There are also several restaurants, cafes, and bars where visitors can enjoy local cuisine and drinks. Overall, Odeceixe is a tranquil and picturesque town that offers visitors a chance to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the Algarve. Praia de Odeceixe is the main beach in the Odeceixe area and is a popular destination for tourists and locals alike. Here are some more details about this beautiful beach. Location: Praia de Odeceixe is situated at the mouth of the Seixe River, on the western coast of the Algarve region in Portugal. It is about 4 kilometers from the town of Odeceixe. Beach features: the beach is long and sandy, stretching for over 1 kilometer. It is backed by cliffs that rise up to 80 meters in height, providing a stunning backdrop to the beach. At low tide, a lagoon forms at the northern end of the beach, which is perfect for children to play in. Water activities: Praia de Odeceixe is a popular spot for surfing, bodyboarding, and swimming. The waves are generally small, making it a good spot for beginners. There are several surf schools in the area that offer lessons and equipment rental. Facilities: there are several facilities at the beach, including restaurants, cafes, and restrooms. During the summer months, there are also lifeguards on duty. Natural beauty: the beach is situated within the Byzantine Coast Natural Park, which is known for its rugged coastline, wild beaches, and rich biodiversity. The park is home to several rare and endangered species of plants and animals. Overall, Praia de Odeceixe is a beautiful and tranquil beach that offers visitors a chance to relax and enjoy the natural beauty of the Algarve. Whether you're looking to surf, swim, or simply soak up the sun, this beach is definitely worth a visit.